Also called broad beans, fava beans are replete with nutrition. Oh yes, all beans are. But, what make fava beans quite extraordinary are the claims. The excellent folate levels can boost pregnancy health. The L-dopa in the beans can help prevent depression and Parkinson's, and other mental issues. And their incredible fiber content can contribute to weight loss, and better metabolism. They are sweet and have a mild grassy flavor. They are green and look like overgrown sweet peas. And they are nutritious. Fava beans have no saturated fat, or cholesterol. The folate in the beans is crucial during pregnancy. And the L-dopa in the beans was found to improve motor movements in patients with Parkinson's, with absolutely no side effects. Other important nutrients in the beans include thiamine, vitamins K and B6, copper, selenium, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. The beans are also an inexpensive way of getting your daily dose of lean protein. It is not the nutrients in the beans, but what they can do for you that matters. 1. Fava beans help manage Parkinson's. Parkinson's is associated with weakened motor performance. Fava beans increase the levels of L-dopa, a chemical that improves motor performance. This chemical also works as a neurotransmitter, and relieves other Parkinson's symptoms. Experts believe the beans can be an effective alternative to synthetic drugs. Including fava beans in your diet can help prevent Parkinson's altogether. The folate in the beans deserves credit here. In studies conducted, patients with Parkinson's were found to be deficient in folate. Though more research is warranted, the role of folate in managing Parkinson's is encouraging. Some studies show that fava beans can help treat depression too. Your body can convert L-dopa into dopamine, the hormone associated with good mood. 2. Prevent birth defects. It's the folate in fava beans, again. This nutrient prevents birth defects in newborns, and is an absolute must in a pregnant woman's diet. Studies show, most women don't get enough dietary folate, and this is a matter of concern. You need 400 mcg of this nutrient every day, and in times of pregnancy, this dose shoots up to 600 mcg. A couple of the major birth defects folate can prevent are spina bifida, incomplete development of the spinal cord, and anencephaly, incomplete development of parts of the brain. Did you know that a baby's growth is the most rapid in the first few weeks of pregnancy? And this is often the time even before you know you are pregnant? The folate in fava beans also helps prevent miscarriage, premature birth, and low birth weight. 3. Promote heart health. The magnesium in fava beans has a role to play here. The nutrient can lower blood pressure levels, which is one major cause of heart disease in the US today. And the fiber in fava beans also helps. The soluble fiber in the beans helps lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood. 4. Provide energy. B vitamins are important for energy metabolism, and folate plays a crucial role in this aspect. The beans are also a good source of iron, which is essential for our body to produce red blood cells and its energy currency, ATP adenosine triphosphate. We all know the fatigue iron deficiency can cause. The fiber in the beans can also fill you up quickly. This means it leads to a gradual increase in blood sugar levels, offering a steady supply of energy. 5. Prevent osteoporosis. Another nutrient in fava beans is manganese. Manganese increases bone mass, prevents osteoporosis, and helps reduce calcium deficiency. Including manganese in the diet can also prevent arthritis. 6. Fava beans boost immunity. The copper in fava beans helps maintain healthy white blood cells. These blood cells destroy pathogens and eliminate free radicals from your system. It is important to know that the body cannot produce white blood cells on its own. And this is why you need copper. Without white blood cells, your body becomes susceptible to infection and illness, which is why copper is critical to maintain strong immunity. Studies also show how fava beans can contribute to immune health in human beings.